it's Keke here. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking out this twist bob and I am so ready to see what these curls are about to be looking like. Oh my goodness. Okay, I cannot recall the exact amount of time I've had these in, but I will put it on the screen when I figure it out. I feel like this length has shortened me to almost half of what my hair length is. I don't know about that actually. We're at bra strap though, so just for reference, that's where my hair is. Gotten a lot of frizz here. Y'all ask about my frizz. The frizz is there. I just tame her during these reties, okay? But let's go ahead and get started. Oh wee. Okay. That's actually cute. So I was wearing my hair like this, but like not in a bun, but kind of like loose. And then whatever pieces decided to fall, they just fell. So my birthday is Wednesday. It is Sunday. So I definitely want to have the curls. I was gonna shoot to do a retie before then, but y'all, Miss Red came and she was not letting me be great, and I'm just behind. I didn't have a video out last week, so I'm so sorry for that. I was just not feeling great. Look at that curl. Look at that. Are we seeing that? You see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take all of my rubber bands out first down here. Slowly unravel, because you know we wrapped it from top to bottom. I don't want to look at that. okay, but yeah, I don't want to pull any hair. We're being very gentle. I'm not cutting these out either. So I set it up pretty nicely for the takedown process, and it's not presenting any challenges right now, so we're just gonna keep doing that. Sorry. Y'all, I get so excited with stuff like this. You know, when your hard work pays off, it just looks glorious. Oh, I've enjoyed the bob, but I also want to see these curls. So it's time. I want to do like a photo shoot. I try to do one every year for my birthday. I didn't really put a lot of thought into this time, so not sure how that's going to turn out, but hopefully we do something nice, you know. It is pretty much almost time for a retie as well, but I'm trying to stretch it just a little bit longer, just because I've been being lazy, honestly. Okay, and we are getting into it, and I am just really just unraveling. Nothing special here. I didn't put any oil or water on my hair. For one, no water because I didn't want the curls to fall, of course, but oil, I had that white shirt on and I was not trying to get it messed up, so I did move slowly so I could make sure that I wasn't pulling or tearing and causing any breakage. But it was a pretty smooth process. It did take about, I want to say like an hour and a half because I was pacing myself. But oh my gosh, do you see these curls? Like, I cannot process it. Part of me kind of wishes that the curls would travel up a little bit higher up the lock, but since, you know, I had twists, that part isn't going to be as curly as the end, kind of, since we did like a little bantu knot at the end. But nonetheless, I still love it. The curls are pretty much sitting in the same area as the bob was, just a little bit lower. So I do feel like these curls are going to last me a good little bit. That is what I'm looking for. And I can report that it is Friday that I am finishing this video up, and it's been about 5 days now, and the curls are still here. I have done ponytails, buns, wearing it down. At night, I put in a pineapple and then put on my bonnet. The curls are still here, all right? So very happy about that. Y'all know my struggle with holding a curl, and it seems like this is the only way I can do that when a style is in for more than a couple of days. So we'll definitely be revisiting this bob sooner than later because I just love her. I loved everything about her, and you know, this style is a second style in one, so it's perfect. I haven't done a bob on a fresh retie before, so I don't think I'll do it this time, but maybe one time. I'm not sure yet. But yes, I really want to do some cornrows next because it's been a while since I've done those, and I think I want to do those on a fresh retie. I am not sure. But guys, do y'all see these pops of highlights throughout my hair? I was trying to find a good song right there. I was getting a little frustrated. But the highlights, I was still debating on going lighter eventually, not now. But like I said, I think I'm straight. Like, it's so subtle, but at the same time noticeable. And that's what I love about them. This is my first time doing a curly or crinkly style with the highlights, and I am obsessed. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. So still happy with that decision. I'm enjoying it. I do miss my jet black from time to time, but I don't miss the upkeep, because I was dyeing my hair maybe every other month, and that's a lot of dye to clean up, and it fades kind of quickly. I mean, it's about 2 months, but I like for my stuff to last longer than that, especially with the work that I put into it. So I just like that I don't have to do anything to this now. So I'm here. And I've just gotta say, thank you so much to everyone who took the time out of their day on Wednesday, August 19th to wish me a happy birthday. I have not had the chance to get to everyone. The person in me is like, oh, I have to respond to everyone, but I haven't even had a chance to look at everything just yet. This week has been so busy. I've had so many campaigns come my way, so many concepts that I have to make, so much filming, and you know, I'm not mad at it at all. Very grateful, but I haven't been able to respond as I would like. But I just have to say, I greatly appreciate you taking the time out to leave that. I love y'all so bad. Thank you so much. And we are finishing up here, and I've got to say, this is going to be my go-to way to maintain some curls. I may try a roller set again, I'm not sure, but this is going to be my number one way as of right now. But now everything is taken out, and this is what we are left with. Do y'all see the definition? And look at the pops of highlights. Oh my goodness. I love how the curls are kind of just sitting there at my collarbone area. Oh, I did forget one. Wow, it never fails. But oh my gosh, I love it so much. This is where I get the most volume too, and I just really love the results. I used the Dew. I think it was the texture foam. So be sure to use that. And I'm just going in with some TPH. Did y'all see the light dye on me? Wow. Some TPH by Taraji Edge Slick, I believe it's called. And just putting some of that on my edges. I haven't really been doing a full slick anymore, but sometimes I will. Sometimes I just do what I just did. But get into the definition. That's really all. Like, I love it so bad. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Again, thank you for the happy birthdays, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.